Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Relapse Tackle. In this video I'm going to explain how I want to do the giveaways. And not all my videos are going to be giveaways, but I figure I'm going to start doing maybe one a month or maybe 2 months. We'll see how things go, maybe more. I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is I'll put up a tutorial showing how I make a certain type of bass jig or mold modification or whatever that may be. And then at the end of the video, I'll say to put in a keyword in the comments that will enter you into the drawing to win. So you can still leave a comment if you don't want to enter the drawing, just don't use that keyword. But if you comment within the first hour, you have an advantage over everybody else, because if the random comment picker picks a name out of that first hour, because you've got 24 hours to comment on the video. So if it picks outside of that first hour and then you don't send me an email, which I'll leave in the description so that you can send me an email, and then I'll give you a verification code. And then you put the verification code in your, put that in your comment, so that I know you are who you say you are, and then I'll ask you for your address and send you the stuff. But I'll give you 3 days to do that. So if in that 3 days nobody, or the person that won doesn't send me an email, then I have to do a redraw, and I'm only going to do one redraw. So the comments that were in the first hour using that keyword, I'll write them down, and the first person gets number one, second person gets number two, so on and so forth. So then I'll use a random number picker, and then, so say it's 25 people comment in the first hour, so I'll put 1 through 25, and if run that, or picks a number and then figure out who that was, and then announce that okay, you were the one that was chosen this time around, and then you have 3 days. So if that person doesn't reach out to me the same way within those 3 days, then I'm not going to do another redraw for that particular item. And I might start out with making up some bass jigs or crappie jigs or something. So like this is one of the bass jigs that I make. This is a poison tail 1/2 ounce. So, and the prizes might get bigger as I go along. Gain more subscribers, and the more videos I'm able to do and stuff, I know that's going to change things. So be sure to subscribe and ring the bell, because you want that alert, so that you can jump on that and get in your comment within the first hour of me posting the video. And then share it with your friends, give it a like, and yeah. And if you guys have any ideas, drop them in this video in the comments as to how I can make it better, or if you think that sounds like a really good idea, let me know. Thanks again for everybody's support. This really does mean a lot to me. I hit 560 subscribers today, so that's pretty cool. And I think when I figured it out yesterday, I had 160 days until I hit my 3-year on YouTube. So I'm getting there. I'm not like a million subscribers. I don't have a play button. I'd like to put a play button, maybe not replace that, but maybe put one up there next to it, so that'd be kind of cool. But more importantly than that play button is just helping people. They have problems with their leaf pot, or they have problems with a particular mold. I'd like to try to solve the problem, share it, and then help other people. So thanks again. Give the video a like, share it. Let's just see how big the channel can grow. You know, that'd be kind of cool. And this is just a hobby of mine. I just like tinkering with this stuff. I like to fish, so I figured, hell, I might as well make my own stuff. You know, and it's not really a huge money saver. You start buying all this stuff, and it's not. Don't tell yourself it is going to be a money saver, because it's really not. But if there is one particular jig you use a lot, you know, yeah, maybe buying a mold and a you know, little 10-pound bottom pour Lee pot and a couple, you know, containers of paint, you know, might be worth it for you. But careful, it is addicting. I can't say how many molds I have, but it is a lot. And I plan on doing more with soft plastics and hard baits, and you know, doing foil and all that stuff. So keep following me, and I'll keep trying to answer questions. And I learn from other people all the time, and like I said, I like to just share that input. So thank you all.